Hey guys, welcome back to the Faithful Farmer Mama. Today I am going to give you some tips and tricks to help you keep your house clean during this quarantine time. I am a little bit of a stickler about time management. I want to spend my time doing other things. So join me today as I give you my tips and tricks to help make cleaning your home a little bit easier throughout your entire day. So, most of my tips and tricks are really common sense. I will say though, there are a lot of people in this world who are kind of new to their home or new to cleaning or even just first-time homeowners or even renters. You know, I think we sometimes get stuck in our age group and we think, I know how to vacuum my floor. Everybody should know how to vacuum their floor. But that is why I do videos like this, so that I can help those who may not have ever done stuff like this before. So, before we get started today, I would ask for you to go down below, find the subscribe button, click that, and when the little bell shows up, click that too and click all notifications. This way you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks again for being here today, guys, and I hope some of these tips and tricks may help you to clean a little bit more efficiently over time instead of having to dedicate an entire day to deep cleaning your house. A clean and organized broom closet is the most essential part of your cleaning. I always hate when I can't find my dustpan or my broom, so we bought these hooks and we actually hang all of our brooms and mops here, and we keep all of our cleaning supplies kind of together so that we know exactly what we have and where it is. Y'all, I'm not a hoarder, but I don't like running out of dish liquid, dish soap, or any of my cleaning supplies. So I always make sure I have at least 2 of everything that I need. Keeping the shower clean can be difficult. However, one of the things we do when we move into a home is always replace the shower head with a removable spray nozzle. My husband really likes these for showering, but me, I use them to actually clean my shower. I use this to spray off the windows after I spray them with the cleaner. And of course, I keep my cleaner in my shower. If you have little kids, I would suggest keeping them up high somewhere, but I actually keep mine right here so that I can spray it on my walls and the windows. I do have glass doors, so in order to keep my glass doors clean with my hard water, I bought this squeegee at the Dollar Tree, and I use it. I think about the window washers in New York City. You know, we just wash off all the cleaning stuff, and we just use this to get the water off, and this way I don't have to wash my glass all the time. Something I do in all of my bathrooms, I always make sure I have a scrub brush for each toilet, and I do keep cleaning stuff for my toilet in the bathroom. Every single bathroom has a brush and cleaning stuff for the toilet. I use Kaboom just because we do have such hard water, so it is a staple in this house so that the hard water doesn't destroy our commode. I also use this Safe and Mighty by Melaleuca. We live on a farm, and on this farm we have a lot of sand and dirt. So I have double mats with every door that we have. They actually help to collect all the dirt. We also have a tray for our boots and shoes because we track in so much mud and stuff. You could use a cardboard box. Guys, This is the back part of my Kia Soul. This was supposed to be in the trunk area. We actually use this as a catch-all. If you notice all the dirt in there compared to what's on the floor. Whether you have hardwood or carpet, one of the ways that saves me time and energy is my Roomba or my iRobot. You can get these pretty inexpensive, but this one was one of the nicer ones. My husband got it for me a couple years ago for Christmas. I love that it cleans all the way up against the baseboards, and yes, it saves me time with my hardwoods, just picking up dirt and dust and dog hair. However, we do have carpet. And one of the tips I can give you with a vacuum is don't ever leave stuff in the container. Always empty it after vacuuming so that it's ready for the next time when you want to use it. A few months ago, I was reading an article about helping your teens learn essential housekeeping things. And one of them was about the laundry. Yes, my kids have chores, and I would fold their laundry anyway. But this article said to have baskets for every child, and instead of folding their clothes, just pull them out, sort of make them nice in there, put them in a basket, and then make those kids go put the clothes away in their room. One of the things I had to get over with this was them not folding it the way that I like it. Eventually, my kids have learned how to put their things away so that they're not wrinkled. And it's actually made them want to be a little more diligent about their clothing. So I have a basket for both of my girls, my husband, and my clothes. I put them on top of the dryer, and then I go put them away immediately. So our clothes are always put away right away after washing. Thanks again for being with me here today. I really hope that my tips and tricks and shortcuts may help somebody out there with their cleaning over time. Time management is such a big thing because we are such a busy society. And although I know that many of you are quarantined right now, or as a country, we are kind of being asked to stay inside, these tips and tricks can really even help you find more time in your day so that you can actually do things with your family and other things that you may have been wanting to get to that just you haven't had time for. Thanks for being here. See you next time, guys. Stay safe. Bye-bye.